Okay, the property extends from this point about 333 feet. That fence post line there is the property. It's to the right. And as you can see, there are some tall trees on it. It's 1.7 acres. It looks like there's a grassy field off in the background. The proposed future gate will go right through here, and a little excavating to do, a little road building, and I've put stakes where the 10-foot is one to the left and one to the right. So the fence, or the future driveway will be like right here. These little trees are probably going to have to go, unfortunately. And then you see some stakes up there. The property goes to the left, all the way to the stakes in the background. And we're following the future driveway. That's the neighbor's house in the back. Just have one sort of active neighbor. And then driveway will curve around here, this way, through here. The bush is about 1.5 feet high. And then the driveway will stop probably about here. And then right at this point, there'll be a storage shed, about 10 feet by 12 feet. And where those two hard hats are, it's just sort of a general play area, work area. And then I blaze this path to the right. I put in those little scalloped concrete edges. And this is sort of the main sort of walking path. Sort of curved up through here. There are some pools, and there's the road again. Now the off to the right is where the property extends, and also to the left to the road up here. You can walk to the end of the road. And the other side is bordered by a road. That road continues on to Fiddletown, straight ahead. And this is the corner of the property with some property signs on it. And I'm not sure. Those are other people who put those property signs on it, so they're not my property. But it's my property's off to the left, and off to the right you see some other houses. Nice garden at that house, and again our property's off to the left. It extends 222 feet or so in this direction, and notice there is telephone service. There's a telephone thing and power. There is electrical power up there, which is good. And that's sort of the end of the property, right there, right where the neighbor's fire truck and stuff are, trailer, all that. So anyway, that is it.